Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the SAP screens where we will have two types of screens in SAP. So I will show you in Word. You can see SAP screens divided into two. One is easy access screen and configuration screens. So easy access screens will be used by the end users and configuration screens will be used by the consultants. So day-to-day transactions are posed by the users by using SAP Easy Access screen, and backend configuration will be done by the consultants. So I'll take you through the software. So this is the software. Once you log into SAP system, you will find SAP Easy Access screen. You can see here accounting, any financial related things will post here. If you go to accounting tab, you can see here financial accounting, general ledger related. If you want to post any general ledger transactions, you need to select here. You can find your document entries. You can see document FB50, FB50L, F-02, FB01L, FA50. This will be called as transactions keys. F mean finance. So whatever transaction will start with F, those are related to financial FI module related transactions. FB50 mean GL related account document we will enter here in FB50. FB50L. It is we can by using this transaction we can post particular general ledger accounting for particular ledger groups. You can see one more transaction F-02 general posting. Like this, you'll have all the transactions code will be given to the users. You can see post with clearing, incoming payments, outgoing payments. After receiving the invoice, we can make the payments by using outgoing payments. You can see cash general posting. So SAP Easy Access screen will be used by the end users. So here consultant will not do anything. While testing they will use this these screens. So if you want to see any master records also, you can see here GL accounts, individual processing, collectively processing. This will be done by the consultants. So accounts receivable, accounts payable related transactions we need to select here. If you click this, you'll get all the drop downs. You can see a documentary for accounts receivable. We need to select documents here. You can see for accounts receivable FB70 customer invoice. So outgoing incoming payments F-28 is the transaction. So suppose instead of going through all this path, suppose you can select one FB70 transaction. If you click here FB70, automatically it will take to that FB70 posting screen. FB70 nothing but customer invoice. See, you can see here enter customer invoice, company code BA01. It is showing for which company code we are going to post, and the customer whatever details we need to fill, and we can post this transaction. So by using path we can go to this transaction, or else if you know the particular transaction code, directly we can access that transaction. So right now you have learned that by using this SAP Easy Access screens, end user will post their transactions into company codes. Just click on this. This is the complete SAP Easy Access screen will be used by the end users. So if you click here, otherwise if you don't know transaction code, you have to go like this. Go to SAP Easy Access screen. After login, click on financial accounting. So particular submodule general in SAP they have divided like accounts receivable, accounts payable, banking, general ledger into sub modules. If you go to financial accounting, general ledger is one sub module. Like that you have accounts receivable, accounts payable, banking, GL. So you have to select related. You need to go to that path. If you click on FB50, by using path also you can go to the same transaction. If you know the transaction, you can directly enter the transaction code into command field. I have already shown you. If you know transaction, you can enter here directly. Go back. If you know transaction, enter transaction directly FB50. So we can post general ledger related transactions by using the transaction code FB50. So we have some idea. Now we have learned what is SAP Easy Access Screen. By using SAP Easy Access Screen, end users will post particular transactions under sub modules. Now we will go to configuration screen. So go to SAP menu, click on tools, click on customizing, click on IMG. So SPRO is one of the transaction code, where if you know that already I have explained you with transactions code from SAP Easy Access Screen. If you enter SPRO directly, it will take you to like configuration screen, or else you need to come through this path: SAP menu, tools, customizing, SPRO. Just click on SPRO. See, here again you need to click on SAP reference implementation IMG, nothing but implementation guide. Click on implementation guide. So end users will consultant will do the configuration settings under implementation guide. So you can see your enterprise structure. I'm just giving you overview. In coming classes I will show you how to create company codes and how to post the transactions, and whatever complete backend configuration I'll show you. So you can see a definition. Just for overview, I'm giving some instructions. Definition: financial accounting, define company. If you click on define company, it will, so we can create company here, and we need to again create company code. In upcoming classes I'm going to teach you about this company and company code. Thank you friends. Next class I'm going to teach about the define company code, and how to assign the company code to company. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.